This weekend we did a little painting at the dyno, and we thought we'd bring the Jeep Rubicon and Jeep Liberty out for a little bit of fun and see what kind of numbers they'd put down. Unfortunately, we weren't able to get either vehicle to lock into gear on their automatic transmissions, so we couldn't generate any dyno sheets, but the results were pretty dismal and probably not worth showing anyway. But nonetheless, here's the video, and it was kind of amusing to see both vehicles on the dyno running. Thanks for joining us. The main problem we ran into is even when manually selecting a gear, the more throttle you applied, the more the transmission wanted to shift regardless of your gear selection. So once we sort that out, we'll be back and try to get some more reliable numbers, but what we could get showed about half the rated horsepower and torque as what's listed to the crank for both vehicles. Stay tuned for our next attempt where we try to get HP Tuner to lock the cars in gear so we can get some wide open pulls and generate some nice dyno sheets. Thanks for joining us.